Great shot, gets hold of that and places it away through square leg. Good work there on the boundary. Good running, keeping the scoreboard ticking over. Can't get that outside the ring field. No, terrible shot. They've gone up, but I'm not sure what they're appealing for. The keeper has really gone up, as do the surrounding fielders. They seem convinced. Could be a review coming up.
Oh, this could spell trouble.
Wasn't the best of reviews. Great call by the umpire, though.
I'm not hearing anything on this. This could be trouble.
Picks the gap perfectly.
That really wasn't a great delivery. It was seen early and dispatched.
Brook has already got the big shot away this over. Now they can just focus on playing the next ball on its merits. Well batted, 4 runs off the over. England are 121 for 5. Classic cover drive, but finds the fielder at cover. Will need a direct hit. Quick onto that in the infield. Immaculate timing there.
Nothing really wrong with that ball. Got onto the front foot and found the gap to get that one to the boundary.
End of the over and another tight over by the bowlers. Tough work out there for the two batters. Smith, the right armer, is coming into the attack from the pavilion end.
A little bit of wobble on that one, and it's safely taken by the keeper. Not enough on it to entice a shot.
Thought it had got past them, but a fantastic dive to cut it off. End of the over and none off it.
Are now 143
Henry, ready to start from the Vauxhall end.
Still honing in on their lines. The batter happy to let it go through. A little bit of wobble on that ball, as it's safely taken by the keeper. Not enough on it to entice a shot, though.
Collects that one simple as you like, inside the ring. Dug that out well. Nice, nice. Leaned into it, wide of cover, and that will give him a bit of confidence, and maybe 4.
A good innings, that's 50. A simple raise of the bats. Thumbs up to their batting partner.
Drives straight down the ground. Mid-on will collect that, though.
What a great shot that was. Onto the front foot really quickly. No stopping that one.
Dug that out well. Over completed, 4 runs added. England are 162 for 5. Cuts that off well in the infield. End of the over, a maiden.
Are now on 162 for 5.
Still honing in on their lines. The batter happy to let it go through. A little bit of wobble on that ball, as it's safely taken by the keeper. Not enough on it to entice a shot, though.
Great shot through the gap. Perfect timing.
Well, what a lovely shot. It flew to the boundary. That's clearly not the type of delivery to be bowling here.
Getting nicely settled at the crease now. Would have been very happy with that last shot.
Brook watched it closely and let that go through to the keeper.
Henry bowled a tidy line that over.
167 for 5.
Nice, solid defensive shot.
Didn't like the look of that one and just ignored it.
Opened the face of the bat really well. Through the infield, and that'll be 4 more.
Just perfection, a magnificent shot. You just can't hit it any better than that, racing away to the boundary.
Quick onto that in the infield. Oh, that's nice. Good defence.
Left alone and easily through.
And it's a maiden. Smith ready to start from the pavilion end.
Didn't like the look of that one and just ignored it.
Oh, that's nice. Good defence. Lovely shot. Head over the ball, nice and compact. That'll be 4.
Sometimes you've just got to stop and admire batting like that. Gets onto the front foot early, well timed, 4 runs. Timing on that shot was just perfect. Brilliant shot. A boundary the moment it hit the bat. What a lovely shot. Really good timing. Race to the boundary.
Collects that one simple as you like, inside the ring. Nice, solid defensive shot. New Zealand have kept from the pavilion end. Lovely cover drive, but straight to extra cover.
Doesn't even wait to see if the ball's going to do anything. Onto the front foot, punches it away to the boundary. Still honing in on their lines. The batter happy to let it go through. A little bit of wobble on that ball, as it's safely taken by the keeper. Not enough on it to entice a shot, though.
Oh, now that's a brilliant diving stop. End of the over, not many coming from it. The end of the session, we've seen some great cricket so far. See you soon. I'm off for a cucumber sandwich.